Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with another video on Craving Crochet. Hi everyone, thanks so much for coming back to Craving Crochet. My name is Teresa, and if you're new here and you like this content, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and if you would subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. And thank you to all my current subscribers and followers that love my content and keep coming back and leaving me comments and whatever and encouragement. I really appreciate you so much. So today is a video to kind of review what I've done with the cute crochet cute critters. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm doing a giveaway. If this is your first time watching this, I'm doing a giveaway on this book. I'm giving away 3 of these books, and so far I've done 5 critters, right? Yes, I've done 5 critters, so I haven't had a chance to make another critter. So this is just a review video and also to give you a tutorial recommendation of a rug that I recently made. And it's very easy and very pretty, and I think you would all enjoy making it. So I would appreciate it if you could check that out. I'll leave the link below, and you can go check out that tutorial. It's really fast and easy, and then you'll have a beautiful rug for your home. Anyways, so let me just show you what I've done. First of all, I've done Walter the Whale, which I no longer have because I gave him to my beautiful grandson as a gift. I'll just show you his picture, and maybe I'll put a picture of, there's Walter the Whale. That was my very first one. So Walter the Whale, I don't have an actual physical one of him. Maybe I'll put some pictures in here. And then my second one was Junior the Jellyfish. He's so cute. He's so cute. This was really easy to make because it's basically just a head, and then you put in the eyes, you make the mouth, and then you make his little tentacles. So that was Junior the Jellyfish. And then after Junior the Jellyfish, I made Alex the Alligator. He was so cute. He's got a tail. I love the way his eyes are. He's got like lots of detail in the eyes. He's got little nostrils and a little tummy, different color. And he was fun to make. He's so soft and cute. I really like him. I wouldn't want to meet him in real life, but as a toy, he's great. And then I made, oh, this one is so cute too. Let me just I'm going to put him down. And then I made Quinn the Queen Bee. And she's a queen because she's wearing a crown. There's her little, I don't know if you can see it. Her little antennas, and she's got wings, stripes, and a stinger. She's so cute as well. And these projects are all with the safety eyes, so it's great for giving away to children. You don't have to worry about any issues with that. And then my most recent one was this one. I can't remember what was her name again. Unica the unicorn. That's her. And look at her little hair and her little colorful tail. This one was quite easy as well. They're all pretty easy. They just have lots of parts. So it's just, oh my gosh, you got all these little parts and you got to sew them together. But it's not hard. It's really easy and fun. And I'm sure they would give some kids some great joy as a gift. Am I missing one? Yeah. Alex. So here they are. If you want to try them out, I'll leave the playlist below so you can watch and enter. All you have to do is you have to be one of my subscribers, of course. And you have to leave a comment, like the video, leave a comment, and then your name will be drawn once I finish them all. Hopefully I'll come out with one later this week. I've had a busy time, so I thought let me just come on and give you a quick update of what's happening. I'm going to continue making more of these critters so you have more chances. So the more times you enter, the more chances you have of winning because your name will be put in more than once. So the playlist is below, and if you're interested and you want to win one of these, a copy of one of these books, just go to that playlist and like, comment, and even share them if you want to some friends. So anyways, thank you so much for coming back to Craving Crochet, and we'll be back soon with more critters.